It's feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well and staying safe. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from a company called Hurela. I'll leave all the information and details in the info section below, so be sure to check there. I'll also provide you guys with a discount code, so in case you guys are interested in saving an additional $10 off of your purchases, use discount code Hurela YTB10 to again save $10. So here's everything that came with my wig, and here is the wig that I picked up. I picked up their new and upgraded rose net cap V-part wig. This is what it looks like. It's in that jerry curl texture. My wig is 18 inches long. This is what V-part area looks like. You do have those wefted clips around the opening, as well as their new net cap, so it's super breathable, so that way you guys can take care of your hair up underneath this wig like you should be doing. But right now I'm going to go ahead and prep my wig to be worn, and as usual I like to wash my wig before I put it on my head. All of you guys should be doing that because you really don't know what might be in it. You don't know, so go ahead and wash it first. I'm going to go ahead and just use my Suave clarifying shampoo followed by my silicone mix conditioner. Then I'm going to go ahead and define the hair using my detangling brush, and then I'm going to use my wavy to curly cream. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll see you guys once I'm done.
Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar, cause you are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel love my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat.
It's feet kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Okay, so it's been about a few days and the hair is completely dry. I went ahead and attached it to my canvas block and allowed it to dry the rest of the way, just air dry. This is what the wig looks like. I'm going to be anchoring this wig down to my braids, just because to me it's a little more realistic when you do it this way. I did get this method from, it was either Taste Pink or Miss Naturally Mary. I will go ahead and link both of their videos below so you guys can check out the originators of this method. But I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on, and so I have my hair corn rolled, and I'm utilizing 4 of my corn rolls at the front of my hair, and I'm just attaching the wefted clips to the outer 2 corn rolls, leaving the 2 corn rolls in the center of the V-part wig, if that makes any sense. Once again, I'll link either Taste Pink's or Miss Naturally Mary's video, so that way you guys can see this done the professional way, okay? But yeah, once again, the wig is anchored down to those 2 outer braids, and now I'm just crocheting the hair from the wig onto my braid. You guys can kind of see I'm pulling the hair from the wig underneath my braid and then over it. So if that makes any sense, you guys might be more of a visualist. So I'm gonna let you guys finish watching this. Once again, I am just crocheting the hair from the wig, and I'm going underneath my braid and bringing the hair from the wig over it, so that way my middle part will be exposed and everything will just sort of lay natural and look more realistic. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys finish watching this, and I will see you guys once I'm done.
Mindful of me, needing you to be mindful. Stretch out my hand to you and take down your blindfold. Imagine that I reach out to you, but I'm young and still prideful. Needing you to be mindful of me, needing you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where missing me from yesterday. Hit the sativa, caffeine in the play. As a superhero stand beside when I'm feeling down, down, down. But I'm optimistic that I can turn it all around, round, round.
So now that the wig is attached, it's not going anywhere. You don't have to worry about it looking unrealistic. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the parting area just because my braids were a little bit on the frizzier side. So I like to just apply a little bit of my Shining Jam gel just to that area, and it kind of just sleeks everything down and looks fluid. Now we're going to take care of this hair, because if you're dealing with hair that has texture and then you're crocheting it, you are going to pick up some frizz. And I love this hair because it doesn't take much effort for it to redefine. So I sprayed the hair with a little bit of water. I'm following up with a spray-based leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to use this Wet and Wavy cream that you guys see me use towards the beginning of the video. And I'm just doing the shingling method to redefine the curls. However, all you really have to do is just spray this hair down with a little bit of water and just go through it with a defining brush. In case you're in a rush, that's probably the quickest method, but I'm a little extra, so I really wanted to bring these curls back to life and really get the most out of this wig. So I'm going to finish doing that. Then you guys are going to see me diffuse this hair just to add some volume. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done.
Still prideful. Needing you to be mindful of me. Needing you to be mindful. Where the fuck does your mind go? Where the fuck did the time go? Small talk, cut the lights so. Cut to the chase, get out my face.
So this is the final look. You guys let me know what you guys think about this one. Now this wig is maybe 95% dried. I didn't want to completely dry the hair using the diffuser just because it kind of picks up frizz and I would just have wasted my time. So I do allow my hair to just air dry the rest of the way, especially out here in AZ. It is pretty hot outside still, so that will probably be the quickest method for me. But yeah, you guys get into this wig, you guys can see along the V part area how realistic it looks, because I have had my fair share of struggling with V part wigs because I can never get it to look realistic around that V part area. It just never looks real. It just looks really weird in my opinion. So doing the crochet method really allows that area to just look natural and realistic. But you guys check out Hurela. I'll leave all the information in the info section below. Use discount code Hurela YTB10 to save an additional $10 off of your purchases. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. See you guys soon. Bye guys.